Good morning. I am starting my second day at Disneyland. I don't have a full day today. I have to head to the airport about 2:30 or 3-ish. So I have a good part of the day though. I'm going to take you along with me. Let's go have some fun at Disneyland. Just barely leaving my hotel. It's probably 8:15 and I'm excited to spend some time at Disneyland, eat some yummy food. It's going to be great. I'm Melissa with Mix and Some Magic. I'm walking over to Disneyland. Come along with me today. My first attraction of the day is Jungle Cruise. I love Jungle Cruise first thing in the morning because the wait time is always so low. Let's see over here. At the water, day when the world is all getting excited for the best side of water. Next up is Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, another attraction I love first thing in the morning. Morning. Next up is Haunted Mansion. It says a 13-minute wait time, but that means it's like basically a walk-on. Haunted Mansion doesn't ever go below 13. That's the same as other attractions. When they say 5 minutes, Haunted Mansion will say 13. The first 2.5 hours after the park opens in the morning are the lowest crowd times, which makes coming in the morning so valuable. That's why people love being here early, because it's not as crowded. You can get on a ton of attractions with a shorter wait time. So that's what makes it so valuable. But you'll notice the parks open at 8. You'll notice about 10:30 the crowds really start to build. So if you decide to sleep in and don't come to the parks until 10:30, then you've missed the best time of the day to get on more attractions. So I like to be here earlier in the day. Even if you're not front of the line rope drop, it's still worth coming. Like I said, I showed up about, I think I got into the parks about 8:20, and I'm having a great day. So now I'm heading over to Critter Country, Bayou Country, name change, and I'm gonna go on Winnie the Pooh. I've got it right here behind me.
Happy Wednesday!
I have been here for about an hour, and I have been busy getting in some fun attractions while the wait times are low. So let's see, so far I have done Jungle Cruise, Big Thunder Mountain, Haunted Mansion, and Winnie the Pooh. Indiana Jones is closed, or I would have done Indiana Jones too, but it's closed for refurbishment, so that's not happening today. But I love being here earlier in the morning. I didn't get here in time for rope drop, which is fine. I'm still having a great time even though I didn't hit rope drop, because the crowds are still really low first thing in the morning, and it's the best time to hit as many attractions as you can before things get crazy. So I think next I'm gonna go on Pirates, and then maybe try to squeeze in 1 or 2 more rides before it starts feeling busier. And then I'm gonna need some breakfast. I'm starting to get hungry. Luckily I had a granola bar at the hotel before I came over. That's holding me over. Toontown is an area that gets super crowded in the afternoon, so I am here to check off a few rides off my list before it gets super crazy. The wait times are still not going to be really high about now. People are just barely arriving to the parks, and a lot of people who are just getting here are going to want to go on some bigger attractions like Big Thunder Mountain Railroad and Space Mountain and Matterhorn. So that means back here in Toontown, the wait times are still pretty low. So that's why I'm here, try to check some of these rides off my list right now.
Holy smokes, Roger! We've been there!
All right, next I'm gonna do Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Says it's 5 minutes, not bad. I am here at Bronto Roasters to pick up a new thing that I've been wanting to try. Okay, I think that this is called a Pajali wrap. I don't exactly know how to say it, but it's in a pita. There's like a burrata cream, there's some pesto in here, there's some capicoli, and I can't remember what else. It's cold. I was thinking it would be warm for some reason. I don't know. I'm keeping an open mind. I thought it sounded really good, but now that I have it, I'm like, I don't know, maybe I'm not gonna like it. Let's see. Okay, here we go. It's kind of messy. I don't know. Hold on. I think it's okay. I don't hate it. I don't love it. I wanted it to be warm. I think it would have been yummier. It's basically like a cold cut sandwich on a pita with some pesto in it that's not amazing. There's almost like a bitterness to the pesto. So I don't know. I don't hate it. I'm gonna eat it, but I don't love it. I won't get it again. I'm gonna say like a 5, 4, 4.5. A 4.5. I don't know, but if this looks like something that you would love, give it a try. All right, this is the polystarch puff bread from the milk stand at Galaxy's Edge. So it's like a puff pastry. It's almost like a croissant. Something on the top. It looks interesting. Let's see. They're gonna come out this way. Okay.
Attention, travelers.
Oh, there's a show starting right now.
Important information to share with you all. So I need you to pay attention.
It's a little dry.
All within this outpost here.
I don't think you can hear me. The stormtroopers are here. I mean, it's good.
The resistance has been destroyed.
But I don't love it.
They don't want to accept it.
This on top is kind of like a streusel flavor.
First order brings stability, order.
It's pretty good though.
I'd
I'd give it a 6
Now,
out of 10.
resistance would disrupt this
Better than the thing I just ate. I didn't really love that at all. So,
aggression.
this is decent.
Even though
Everyone says bright sun's here. I like it. Move out. Yes, sir. Right away.
My first little grandson is due in June, and he is going to have a subtle Star Wars themed nursery. So I am on the lookout here in Galaxy's Edge for a little plushie or some sort of stuffy that would fit in well with his nursery theme and be cute. So I'm on the hunt for that right now. Okay, these are all pretty cute. So fun.
Yeah, that is cute.
This might be it. Let's see, there's a few over here. This little blue guy. Oh, they've got Leia. How cute is that? Okay. I think I have found what I want. I think I'm gonna go with this stormtrooper. Won't he be cute? Yes. This is a stormtrooper, right? I think so. I'm gonna go with this guy. When I was hurrying in this morning, then I happened to peek in the window for Candy Palace, and they were making Rocky Road. Now, this is a big deal because for years, and I'm not even exaggerating, like for years, people have been telling me how good the Rocky Road is, and I have been trying to get my hands on some, but I never can. Whenever I'm here, they seem to never be making it. They're like making nuddles all the time, or churro toffee, which is all delicious. But I want Rocky Road. And I've even asked the cast members about it, and they'll be like, oh yeah, we're doing that tomorrow. And then I show up the next day, no Rocky Road. But look what is happening. Today might be the day that I get some. I do have to go home at 3 o'clock today. So I'm hoping I can get it before. But they do like homemade marshmallows. Look, let me show you. Let's see if I can get a good view. All right, there are the marshmallows. When I was here earlier, they were like actually making the marshmallows. Now it looks like they're cutting them up. And then they cover them in chocolate and put like peanuts on them. So I think they're usually ready around 2, I think. Oh look, this is a much better view. Okay, there we go, please bless. The Rocky Road is ready for me to buy before I have to leave the parks today. I'm hopping over to DCA. Hi, Pluto! One of my favorite drinks is here at Pim Test Kitchen. See, I'm at Pim Test Kitchen. Let me show you. It's so good. It's just my favorite. I don't know. It's like my Disneyland drink. Well, you can only get it in DCA. It's my DCA drink. Every time I come to the parks, then I grab one. It just feels right. You know what I'm talking about? So good. Okay, it's at their freestyle machine, Diet Coke, ginger lime. It's so good. I don't know. Better than Diet Coke. Ginger lime Diet Coke. It's consistent. It never disappoints. I love it. I do have to bring my own reusable straws though, because the paper straw, that makes it taste weird. So bring my own straw. Ginger lime Diet Coke. You know what else never disappoints is popcorn. Popcorn, 10 out of 10 all day long. Always gonna make you happy. And over here in California Adventure Park, they have a one popcorn stand right there behind me. This is in Hollywoodland, and it has caramel popcorn. It has regular popcorn, but it also has fresh caramel corn, and I am obsessed with it. I'm not gonna get it today because I'm feeling salty, so I'm gonna go salty, but I have done a taste test with this caramel popcorn behind me and the caramel popcorn from the new candy place in downtown Disney. I forgot what it's called, but it's like the Werther's popcorn, and this popcorn is better. It's cheaper, it's better, it's more fresh. So come over here and get yourself some caramel popcorn. It's so good. Okay, there's the caramel popcorn. There's the regular popcorn. They'll even mix it for you, half and half, if you want. But like I said, I'm feeling salty today, so I'm gonna go with regular popcorn. I'll probably have to come back and get the caramel though. It's so good. See what I mean? Always good. I'm on my way back to Disneyland, hopping back over. I'm fueled with my ginger lime Diet Coke, so it's gonna be great. When you come into Disneyland, do you have a side that you kind of gravitate towards? Because I always go right, and I know so many people have like their side that they're like no, and so many people always go left. But I always gravitate towards the right side. I don't know why. Do you go left or right? I would be interesting to know. Someone should do a scientific study and see. Look who we have. It's Mickey. And back over there, maybe you can see her, is Minnie Mouse. So cute. We're walking right past Candy Palace, so we better peek in. See how they're going with my Rocky Road. Let's check it out. Oh, they're doing nothing. They've got a pile of marshmallows. I'm gonna check and see if they happen to have any out right now. Okay, they have Nuddles right now, but no Rocky Road yet. It's okay, I still have an hour and a half. They must be on lunch, but I need them to come back and finish making the Rocky Road so I can have some before I leave. If you need a trip to Disneyland, and I think you do, and make sure you book through my travel partners at Getaway Today, because you're always going to get the best deals and you're never penalized for booking early. One of the things I feel so terrible about is when people book through Disney and then a sale happens. They're just out that money. They don't get to take advantage of the sale price. Disney's like, sorry to ya. But if you book through Getaway Today and a better deal comes out, then they will refund you the difference, which is huge. So you're always going to get the best rates, and you have peace of mind knowing that literally you're getting the best rates. Even if better rates come out later, you're going to get them. Plus, they're a small family-owned business, which I love supporting small businesses, and they really care about your vacation. So I'm going to put a link down in the description. You can check them out, or you can give them a call at 855-GETAWAY. Just make sure you tell them that Mix and Some Magic sent you to get the best rates. All right, I am going to second lunch. My lunch wasn't very good. It was like at 11 and it wasn't my favorite, and I need a redo because I'm getting hungry again, but I decided to try something new again, and it's just a crapshoot when you're getting something new. But like, maybe it's gonna be my favorite thing ever, maybe it's gonna be gross and I'm gonna be disappointed. You just don't know until you try. So I'm gonna go try this specialty seasonal item over at Alien Pizza Planet. I don't know, keep your fingers crossed for me. All right, this is the artichoke and pesto pizza from Alien Pizza Planet. It looks good. All right, it's yummy. I like it. Wait for the garbage can to go by. It's not like my favorite. I don't know what this cheese is on the top, but I don't love it, but I don't hate it. So I would give it like a 7. Better than what I had before, but like I probably wouldn't, I'm not gonna go home and daydream about this, but it's good. Moment of truth. It's almost time for me to leave the park so I can head to the airport. I'm going to look right now to see if they have the Rocky Road at Candy Palace. Oh, I hope it's ready. Oh, say a little prayer. Cross your fingers. Let's all hope. All right, it's not ready yet, but I still have 15 minutes, but I don't know if it's gonna be ready in 15 minutes. So I think I'll just hang out for 15 minutes, go back and check, but I might miss the famous Rocky Road by like 20 minutes, an hour. I don't know. I asked when they were gonna put it out and they're like, we don't know. So we'll see. 15 minutes, I don't know if it's gonna happen. Okay, it's in the process. Look what they're doing. Putting it all together. So they cover the marshmallows in chocolate, and then they sprinkle some of these nuts in too. Oh. In order to console myself, because I don't think the Rocky Road's gonna happen, I got this ice cream sandwich from Gibson Girl. It looks pretty good though. So that's good, but I think I need a spoon. I'm just gonna make a big mess of this. This is really yummy. I like it a lot. It's not Rocky Road though. All right, I had to call it. I have to go to the airport and the plane isn't gonna wait for Rocky Road. So it was so close, but so far away still. Oh man, I thought today was the day. It's fine, I have ice cream and cookies and it's good too. But no Rocky Road. That's okay, today was still a great day and I had lots of fun. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. It makes it feel like I'm not here all by myself. because I've got you here with me and I appreciate that. It's way more fun when you're here. All right, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss my next video. We'll talk soon.